Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing of a brand new product in a box. This box is sealed. It's a Smooth 5 gimbal from, if I'm pronouncing it right, Zhiyun company. And so this box is a combo, as you can see. That means it comes with a carrying bag, with a light that attaches, and with a tripod. So you can purchase a non-combo with just a stick and I think a USB cable. I've decided to go with a combo because I really do need a light that attaches. By the way, you can purchase this light separately. I think the cost of it is $30 or somewhere there. You can also separately purchase the tripod, if I'm not mistaken, but the combo has everything included in it. Okay, let's get going. So from the first looks of it, this box is well sealed from all ends, as you can see. The plastic seal is really nice, and let's see here. All right, I love unpacking. It's such a satisfaction. Yes. Okay. Let's try this. And yeah. From the looks of it, it's a somewhat decent quality packaging. This plastic covering is somewhat decent quality. My first impression of the box. Ooh, this is engraved. So it's either, so this is not engraved. This is, so this looks like either a sticker that's been placed. Yeah, most likely this is a sticker that's just placed over the box, but it is really smooth and very nice to the touch. So this is a seal. Yes, it is a seal to make sure that the box stays closed and unopened. I don't know if you can open it from this side, but okay. So this is a sticker. So this is printed on the box itself. This looks like a sticker too. Yes. So this is it's a really good sticker too. I mean, really good quality. You can barely feel any that it's not printed on the box. I mean, this is really good quality. This is really good quality box and stickers. Okay, so let's break the seal here. Let me get a pair of scissors and we will try and knock this out. Okay, got my pair of scissors and let's break this seal up. Yes. All right. All right. So we have a carrying bag, which is amazing quality, I must say. I am really impressed by the quality of this bag. this logo is rubber, but the definition of this, I mean, the material used is really, I'm not afraid to use the word fancy. This is really fancy. There's a little pocket here. Let's see, there's nothing in there. Okay. Oh, the zipper also feels really smooth and really fine threads on it. This little tab on the zipper is really feels good. I must say I'm pretty impressed by the quality of this bag so far. Yes, this looks like kind of material is this? Plastic? Yeah. Okay, so let's put this aside and see what else is in the box. We have service card, email, telephone. Let's see here. So this is a Hong Kong company, Zhiyun after sales warehouse. Germany, St. Petersburg, Russia, Barcelona, Spain, Dubai, New Delhi, Bangkok, Lumpur, Malaysia, South Africa, Indonesia, Singapore, Vietnam, China, and you got LA and Richmond, Canada. So those are authorized agents or repair centers. That's really nice. But the Hong Kong is where sales warehouse is the main warehouse for this product. This card is also very smooth and high quality material used here. Let's see what else we have here. This looks like doesn't say, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 14 different languages. This is printed into. Obviously Chinese is number one right here. You got English, you got DE, I think it stands for Deutsch, Italian, Spanish, Russian, Polish, French, don't know what that is, Japanese, Korean, Thailand, ID, Arabic. I'm sorry if I don't know what those are, PT and ID. But anyways, 14 different languages. And I'm not sure. Usually the manufacturers from China, they have somewhat poor translation, at least to English. I'm not sure the rest of the languages, but when you try to read translation in English, it just sounds really unprofessional. I'm not sure if this is the case here, but anyway, getting started, get to know, smooth 5, charging, use provided USB cable, C cable to connect with USB charger, not provided. So USB charger is not provided. It's okay. There's plenty of USB chargers. Yes, so this self-starter kit, I guess, or the manual, is also really good quality. So far I'm really impressed by the quality of the box, the quality of the printed material, and really good quality of the carrying case. Okay, so next step, let's close this box and let's open up the carrying case, and we'll see what thing has to offer to us. Let's put that aside. Okay, smooth 5. All right, so you got 2 zippers. Yes, it's the usual story. Yeah, like I said, the zippers are really good quality. And voila, here we go. So, reviewed in English and Chinese. Well, I guess we don't really need this, although it's really shiny and you got a rainbow. Oh, look at that, a little rainbow in there. Okay, let's place it here because I really like the colors in there. So we got the gimbal, we got the tripod, and we got something in those little pockets. So let's see what do we have in those little pockets. Okay, this is to keep it fresh. Second pocket we have, oh, okay, we have a little battery. Oh, look at this. I thought it was a battery built in, but no, this is a battery. This looks like a hook, you know, to put on your wrist. Yeah, and this goes either to the bottom or somewhere. This is really nice. Again, I am really surprised, well, not surprised, I don't want to use that this word, but I'm really delighted to see that this is really good quality materials used, and this is really fine too. I mean, this is, everything is tight, even this little zipper type tab is of really good quality. Okay, so let's put this back in there. Let's open up this battery. I'm really excited to see this battery because I guess you can purchase additional batteries if you ever run out, or see if it's even a battery, or is it a, let's see. Oh no, this is not a battery. My apologies. This is a light. Yes. Yes, this is a light. And you place it on top. This is somewhat heavy. You got some name printed on it. Zhiyun. And you got different see-through plastic covers for the light, so this will make it more colder light, and it's all magnetic. This is really interesting the way this is done. I am excited actually about this product. In fact, I'm glad that I purchased it. I've read so many positive reviews about this product, and so far they all, you know, they all coming alive. So you have 4 different filters. This is yellow. This is more for the sunny weather, I'm guessing. Yeah, and they all fit so snug. I mean, you can see a little play, but man, this is really high quality product so far. So you got blue, you get yellow, you get orange, and you get red. Yes, I can definitely see the filter for yellow for the sun to kind of match the, you know, the color of the sun if you're shooting outside. This is more for the inside, I guess, a cooler filter. Those I don't think I've ever used a red filter or an orange filter to shoot videos or photos, but I'm glad that this is provided in this, all four of them. Really good, really good. I'm stoked. Let's put this back. Okay, next pocket. Let's see what we have in the next pocket. Okay, so 1, 2. We have product name, quality certificate, English and Chinese. Okay, let's put this one back. This is a Zhiyun Prime. Not really sure. Got the barcode, the QR code here. Scan to enter. Password and redeem. Let's see what this is. Visit website, scan QR code. I guess this is a kind of a registration. Redeem for Zhiyun Prime member privileges, subject to those published by. Okay, so I guess they want you to provide them your email and register the product. Okay, cool. Some of you who do, who like to do that, would be great. USB cable in the final pocket, and this should be USB-C. Yes, so you got USB-C and old style USB for charging. All right, so far so good. So far so good. Okay, let's start with small stuff. Okay, this is a tripod. Oh my goodness, I'm really enjoying the quality of this material. I'm really enjoying how precise the movements really are of this. This is really, really good. I'm excited to use this, actually. So, and you got little, oh my, you should check this out. So those are rubber bottom for this tripod. Look, you put it and it's not moving because the rubber pads on the bottom prevent it from moving. This is really thoughtful, you guys. I don't know about you, but this is really good product. Yeah, just keep it from sliding. Even if it's sitting at little angle, it will most likely will not slide because of the rubber pads. Oh my, yeah, this is really enjoyable to even open it and close it. They all come together. Look at it, so perfect, so perfect. Really, really good, really good. Okay, now, okay, so one Velcro. Okay, so you have those rubber-like pads for storage and carrying. Let's put it here. There's another pad here to make sure it doesn't get scratched when you carry this. And there's a third one right here. Also really good material, high quality. And the gimbal itself. Okay, so on the bottom you have fast, have a little opening for the tripod. Yes, really good, you guys. I am really impressed. This is high quality product. I'm not gonna lie, I bought it for $105 off of Amazon, and I'm loving every cent of it so far. Okay, so let's see, what is this for? Pull it up. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so this is lock. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, this is a 360-degree rotation. I've read about this. So other companies don't provide you with this ability to have a 360-degree rotation, but this one actually does. Oh my, this is really cool. So this must be USB. Yes, this is USB-C. This, I'm not sure what this is. I don't want to break it. Is it pulling outwards? What is this doing? I'm not sure. I will find out later. You got a little joystick, which feels really amazing. Really amazing. Solid. Really solid joystick. Yes. So this is the record button. This is the menu. I'm not sure if it's a record button. It says designed by Zhiyun. Focus and zoom. So this is focus and zoom. This looks like the power button. This is the light button. Yes, you place the light over here. Yes. And you turn the light on right here. This is a little selector wheel. Yes, so this is display. This looks like the focus function. This is ISO, and I think it's a play button. Mode, function. Don't know what this is, but let's turn this on. Let's see if this turns on. No, it does not, so it might need a charge. Yes, it might need a charge. Okay, so you have a USB-C right here and a USB-C right. No, I'm sorry, this is not USB-C. This is something else. No, I'm not sure. It looks like it's both USB-C here and a USB-C here as well. Don't know why there's two, but I guess I will have to read the manual and see what this is. So let me go ahead and charge this for a little time, and I will come back because I want to turn this thing on and I want to put my old phone in here, and we'll try to rotate it and see how it goes. So I will come back in a little bit. Alright, so I have charged the battery here, and I figured out what this is for. This is a trigger button. It's a good thing I didn't pull anything. I guess for selfies or something to do with taking shots. So I also find out it's a little display here. I know it's blinking because of the refresh rate of the display in the phone, but in any case, this is a little display. It's really unique and really interesting looking. This is a power button. So to operate this this gimbal, you really do need a phone and an app to be downloaded on the phone. Since I am filming this video with my phone, I'm not able to show you guys how this moves, but I will say this again. This is one solid built unit. I mean, I've never used other products similar to this, but from what I've, what I'm touching and what I'm seeing and how it feels in the hand, and by the way, this is a soft rubber, just that won't slip. I mean, this is solid, and this is my tripod that I put it here. Everything about this product says quality, quality, quality. This button is really solid, it doesn't move. So this is a rubber wheel, and this is really comfortable to zoom in and zoom out, and I guess this is a record button. It's really comfortable to hold, and to take videos or photos with this as well. The phone holding pads are also very high quality. I mean, you can see how big. I mean, the phone fits here nicely, snugly. It's not shaking. It's not trying to lean, because this is really high quality pad grabbing technology, I guess you can say, which got rubber on the inside here and here, and this pad is also rubber made, or rubber-ish, I want to say. This little thing, I guess, so when this turns, you can pull this out completely and switch it around. That's my estimate, but since I can't really use this without the phone and an app installed in the phone, I won't know, but so far what I'm seeing is really solid, really good. Again, thank you so much for looking, and I hope you really find this review helpful for you to choose whether you want to purchase Smooth 5 or not. There's plenty of products out there available nowadays. I can't really review all of them, but so far this is a solid stick. It's a little heavy. Well, heavy because it's sturdy, and it holds on a tripod really well. I mean, yeah, it's not, 100% goof proof, but it's not going anywhere once it stands and you put your phone on, even if it's a heavy phone. This stick will provide the necessary support for you to do selfies or to carry it around or to just have it stand and film something in front of you. Again, thank you for looking and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you later. Take care.